Hi guys, welcome again. Now we are at Unit 3. We will learn adjectives. We say sıfatlar in our grammar. Yeah. Um, let's read. Let's read the adjectives. Like yaxşı, yaxşı, good. Pis, büyük, balaca, təzə, köhnə, cavan, qoca, ucuz, baha, maraqlı, maraqsız. So you see here, we can use l and sis to say interesting and not interesting, like um, uninteresting, maybe in English, and like dadlı, datsız, tasty and not tasty, and so on. Using this adjective, they can now form the following sentence. Yeah, you can form some sentence. Yeah. Like, mən yaxşı sürücüyəm. I'm a good driver. Mən yaxşı sürücüyəm. Bu maraqlı kitabdır. Maraqlı, interesting. Or we can say bu maraqsız kitabdır. Maraqlı, maraqsız. Maraqsız kitabdır. Not all the adjectives become l and sız. It's actually l, li, lu, lu, I think. And sız, siz, sus, süz. Okay. Luli, lulu, tatlı, eğlenceli, and so on. I think there are also sus, süz, luli, lulu. Yeah, we will see the examples and learn those too. Biz cavan həkimik. We are young doctors. Cavan, young. Yeah. Note that the form of the adjective does not change regardless of whether the noun is modifying is singular or plural. O maraqsız profesördür, onlar maraqsız profesördürler. Yeah, like maraqsız professor is a little bit strange. You can say like, bu maraqlı kitaptır, bunlar maraqlı kitaplardır. Okay, kitaptırlar or kitaptırlar, yeah. It's okay to say one of these words like kitaptırlar or kitaplardır. It's understandable, okay. Maybe one of these is grammatically not correct, but we use this way too, okay, in our speech, in our daily life. So, bu maraqlı kitaptır. And we say, bunlar maraqlı kitaptırlar, okay. Onlar maraqsız kitaptırlar. And yeah, maraksız. There's no way, no plural way for adjectives, okay. Yeah, it's in English also the same. Yeah, the same. Man cavanam. And now, about first, second, third persons. Yeah, personal pronouns. Man cavanam. I'm young. O yaxşıdır. You see, man cavanam, not man cavanam. And o yaxşıdır, not o yaxşı değil. Okay. Yeah. We say o yaxşıdır, not yaxşıdır, yaxşıdır. Only yaxşıdır. And as you know, yeah, because of the last vowel of the last part of the word, okay? Siz maraklısınız, plural or formal way. Siz maraklısınız. Onlar köhnedir. Not köhnedir or maraklısınız. Maraklısınız, köhnedir. Köhnedir also not possible. Okay, it's not possible. Yaxşı kitablar bahadır. Cavan sürücüler maraqlıdırlar. Maraksız yazıcılar pis profesördürler. Okay, maybe a little bit difficult for someone who learns basic for now. Yeah. Uh-huh. And yeah, we see here bu and o. I will explain you with the help of this sentence. Okay, bu kitap maraqlıdır. This book is interesting. And we are pointing with bu, with using bu, we are pointing this book and we say, this book is interesting. Exactly, this book is interesting. Bu kitap maraqlıdır. And also, bu kitaplar, I have more than one book. Okay. And I say, bu kitaplar, these books. And yeah, it's the same in Azerbaijani. We say bu for both for this and these. Yeah, you see, this book, these books. In English, it's different, and in Azerbaijani too. And now, bu maraqlı kitaptır. Bu maraqlı kitaptır. This is an interesting book. Yeah, it's also possible. And bunlar maraqlı kitaptır. Yeah, it's really challenging, but we have to understand the emotions, the feelings, you know, the situation, the context. Yeah. Bu kitap maraqlıdır. Okay, here. As I said, we are pointing. And also here, bu kitaplar maraqlıdır. Okay, bu kitaplar maraqlıdır. And bu maraqlı kitaptır. Bu maraqlı kitaptır. For example, I take the book, okay, with my hands and I show you, bu kitap maraqlıdır. Or I mean, sorry, bu maraqlı kitaptır. I have already this book in my hand, okay, in my hands, this book. I say, bu maraqlı kitaptır. This is an interesting book, okay. Yeah, with this English sentence, it's really understandable. I think in this book, it's a really helpful book, by the way. Bunlar maraqlı kitaptır. These are interesting books. Not like these books are interesting. These are interesting books. Bunlar maraqlı kitaptır. It's like bunlar is like known here, okay? Bunlar means exactly books here, okay? Bunlar maraqlı kitaptır. Bunlar, onlar. You can use like in some cases you can use bunlar, onlar exactly for nouns, okay? But it's really strange that you have also kitap here and you can have also such words which means these. Yeah, but it's with examples, with sentence and with practice, it will be easier. O professor cavandır. That professor is young. Singular. O professor cavandır. O professorlar cavandırlar. You are pointing, okay? You are pointing. O professor cavandır. O professorlar cavandırlar. O yaxşı kitaptır. That is a good book. Okay? So it's like you use the noun or the pointing or the pointed object or subject in a different side, okay? Like o yaxşı kitaptır, and you don't say o kitap yaxşıdır. It's different. O yaxşı kitaptır is different. So Onlar yaxşı kitabdır. Onlar yaxşı kitabdır. O cavan professordur. O cavan professordur. Yeah. Onlar cavan professordurlar. These are really different. Yeah. I think uh, with because of the uh, case, the situation, you can put uh, like a dot here or this thing here too. I don't remember this in English. You can put this here too. Onlar cavan professordular. It's also possible. Yeah, let's do the exercises here. Sen cavansan. Translate the following sentence into English. Sen cavansan. I will I will read this sentence for you because we have already the translations here too. Yeah. Biz maraklıyıq. Onlar qocadırlar. Siz yaxşı professorsunuz. Mən maraqsız həkiməm. It's really I think strange. Mən maraqsız həkiməm. I'm a boring. Maybe sıxıcı. Mən sıxıcı həkiməm. Or we also say mən sıxıcı insanam. Maybe or we don't say about ourselves, but we'll say about others. Like sen sıkıcı insansın. You are a boring person. You are a boring man. Like this. İnsansın. İnsan. Man. Like you have such a boring character. Sen sıkıcı insansın. Okay. O maraqlıdır. Bu qəzet ucuzdur. Cheap. Ucuz. Onlar maraqlı şəkildir. Yaxşı qələmlər bahadır. O köhnə stul böyükdür. That old table is big. So now translation into Azerbaijani. She's an interesting author. Okay. O maraqlı yazıcıdır. Bu baha qələmdir. Onlar pis sürücüdürlər. Biz maraqsız professoruq. Mən qoca həkiməm. Sən maraqlısan. Sən maraqlısan. Okay. Onlar təzə pəncərədir. Onlar təzə pəncərədir. Siz cavan yazıcısınız. Okay, I think it's understandable. Whenever you have questions, you can contact me. You can drop your comments, okay, and I will explain you everything, okay. So yeah, take care of yourself, and I will see you next time for the next lessons. Bye bye.